underestimate the power of your voice, your trusted voice in a community. Everyone has a story about the teacher they loved, the teacher who changed their life. That is how leaders are made. It is how leaders are born. So you are that trusted voice. And we teamed up, Common Sense Over Chaos, with the bus tour last cycle. We had a battleground of 7 districts. We won 5 out of 7. It was tremendous. It was a huge success. We passed our ballot initiative overwhelmingly, guaranteeing equality for every New Yorker in our state. It made a huge difference in our rights, which is now under attack more than ever before. So we know how to win elections. We know how to amplify our voices. We know how to fight hard. So are you willing to fight? Are you willing to win? When we fight,